Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Tricky is preparing chicken roast, which is a fairly simple chicken dry dish to make. It can be served as a starter or as a side dish. It can also be shredded and used to make tasty chicken sandwiches. So let's get straight to the ingredients. The ingredients for the marination and the ground masala paste. And now for the cooking. Method: the marination stage. Add the whole spices to a grinder. That's the peppercorns, cloves, mustard seeds, ginger, cumin seeds, cinnamon, and the garlic pod. Add just a little water and grind into a fine paste. Next, wash the chicken pieces, then add the salt, turmeric powder, lemon juice, sugar, and the ground masala paste that we just prepared. Mix well and massage the spices into the chicken pieces. Note, you can use vinegar in place of lemon juice if you want to. Then cover with cling film and set aside in a refrigerator to marinate overnight. We're now moving to the cooking stage. When ready to cook, heat oil in a pressure cooker. Then add in the chilies, curry leaves, and the onions. Fry until the onions turn light brown. Now drop in the marinated chicken pieces that were marinated overnight and fry for a couple of minutes. Add very little hot water and mix. Then cover and pressure cook in the pressure cooker for 1 whistle. The alternate option, if you're not using a pressure cooker, is to cover and cook until the chicken pieces are fully cooked. Then remove from the heat after the 1 whistle and set aside to cool completely. Check that the pressure has been completely released before opening the cooker. And then cook until all the water has evaporated and the gravy has thickened. Now add in the chopped green coriander and dried fenugreek leaves. Make sure you crush the dried fenugreek leaves to release the flavor. This is a good time to taste the gravy and add pepper powder and salt as required to adjust the taste of the dish to your liking. As mentioned earlier, this can be served as a starter or as a side dish accompanied with rice, curry, and an onion salad. It can also be shredded and used to make tasty chicken sandwiches. So there you have it, delicious chicken roast. Thank you for stopping by. Give this recipe a try, have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other chicken recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.